Hey y'all, today let's check out this little handheld leaf blower. I wasn't too sure what to expect when we first got this little green leaf blower out of the box because it's so tiny, like really lightweight and compact, but really don't let that size fool you because this thing is crazy powerful. The brand did send it over to us and compensated us for this video, but this thing does have a brushless motor that runs up to like 580,000 RPM or something crazy. I had to even double check the number because it sounded made up. But seriously, it blows harder than some of the bigger, heavier blowers that we have. It does come with two 4 amp hour batteries, which is awesome because I was able to clean off the patio, blow out from under the carport, and still had plenty of juice left over. We really love that each battery has a little power level display too, so you're not guessing how much time you have left. And because it does only weigh just about 2 pounds, I didn't feel like my arm was going to die after every time I use it. It's super easy to carry around and perfect if you hate dragging cords everywhere, which I am totally guilty of. It also came with a charger, two noise reducing earplugs, and a manual, but honestly, it's so easy to use I didn't even touch the manual. We've been using it for everything, so if you're looking for something powerful but not bulky and cordless is a must, this little guy right here might surprise you. We absolutely love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.